Hi everyone, this might be a really shitty video idea, but my room is really messy and I really need to clean it, but I'm high-key lacking in motivation, so I was thinking maybe I could like do a clean with me video, like a spring cleaning kind of video, and maybe that'd be fun. Maybe that'd make me more motivated, but it might be like a really terrible video idea, so let's just give it a shot. I feel like the real culprit here is 100% my desk. I feel like if I can just get all of this clutter and stuff cleared up, everything will just look a lot nicer. Because my room isn't like... Okay, no, yeah. I was going to say it's not terribly messy, but like, it really is terribly messy. Yeah. Alright, I guess we have to just start somewhere.
They say our solar system.
Alright, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like... that's not bad. I feel like it's a little cluttered still, but those roses are gonna die pretty soon. Don't know how good that angle was. We were just kind of chilling up in that plant. But I don't know, like what should I dive into next? I've decided that the next order of business is going to be my closet and my floor. Neither of those are doing very good right now. My problem is I have a lot of clothes. Let me explain this to you. I have a lot of clothes that I love and I wear all the time, and then I have like a ton of clothes that I kind of like alright, and like I don't dislike them and I'll still wear them from time to time, but I don't wear them all the time, and my closet is so stuffed, but when I go to like declutter and like get rid of stuff, like I don't dislike anything. Everything's just like, yeah, that's fine, or like, yeah, I'll wear that sometimes, and there's like a few standout pieces, and so I just don't know what to do. So I'm trying to shop for like pieces that I really love, but then like there's no room for them, and I don't want to get rid of stuff that I still wear, so I'm just having quite a dilemma. And as you can see, my closet's like pretty full, and I have like tons of clothes on the ground and stuff, so I guess we'll see how that goes.
9 planets large and small parading by, but somewhere out in space there's another shining face.
We have a plethora of leotards here. Okay, so update, I cleaned the whole, like, did the whole floor, so now I just have, okay, to be fair, I put a lot of the stuff on the floor in my closet, so we're getting there, but it's, like, kind of coming together. It's not looking too bad. Yeah, let's keep going.
Hydrogen and helium in a big, bright, glowing mass. It's a star. So Janet thought she'd give it a go, but the creatures on that planet looked so very weird to Janet. She didn't even dare to say hello. It's a bird, it's a plane.
Alright, we did pretty heckin' solid. Check it out. I did all the work here. Basket is empty, so she can slide out. Ugh. Thank you for your stay. Okay. And then I just have like a surplus of shoes right here. Like all my black shoes. Besides sneakers, and like the other half of them and stuff are here. But like my closet is stuffed, but it's done. God, it looks really bad because it's literally like too full. Like it's dense. Like this is... Do you see how I can like push in? Yeah. It's rough. And then I have my bear here. I have a couple of socks that got away, but see how like all of my bins are literally stuffed to the brim, and like there's nothing I can do about it. Like every single bin, these drawers won't even shut, they're so full. All of the bins are stuffed, and they're like organized. They're just literally, there's too many clothes in there. So I'm just gonna make my bed real quick. Yeah. Also, these are my coats that I have too many of. Are you shocked? Because I'm not. A quick overview. Everything is nice and clean. Let me just tuck Carl in here. It's clean. It's looking good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was kind of fun. Maybe you can clean with me if you want to clean your room or something. I don't know, but thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Au revoir.